Ruby!
I'm trying to take a nap.
You might want to see this!
Ugh, this better be good, Doc. I do not like my naps interrupted.
It seems that I've stumbled upon an ant colony!
Ants? You woke me up for ants. You couldn't at least find a caterpillar or something?
Ants are fascinating, Ruby! Did you know they can carry up to 50 times their body weight?
Wait, for real?
If you could carry that much weight, you'd be able to lift a car!
And I thought it was cool when I lifted those 20-pounders in my exercise class. What else can ants do, Doc?
Well, they can live up to 30 years, which is amazingly long for an insect.
Do they all live in hills like this one?
Ant colonies, or families of ants, live in communities, but not all the communities are hills. Some ants, like carpenter ants, live in wood. Others live underground.
How many ants are in a family?
The head of the family is the queen, who lays all the eggs for the ants. She can lay thousands of eggs in her lifetime.
Hey, let's name them.
All of them?
That one's Ruby Jr., that one's Ruby the Second. Ooh, we'll call that one Lil Chaos for you. That little red guy can be Ruby Red.